all the stuff that when he was doing that whole thing, basically doing something that I agree with 100%, which was getting black people to really think about who you're voting for instead of just automatically doing what you're told, right? And what he did also that I respected so much was when he made this amazing contract with Black America that everybody should read this. It was so good because I remember opening, I was like, okay, what's this guy saying? Because I didn't know him at the time, and I'm like, whoa, this is good. And you know what he did? He collaborated. He reached out to scholars. He said, look, I'm an artist. I know what I can bring to the table because I know I'm Ice Cube, but I know that you're an expert on criminal justice. I know you're an expert on finances. I know you're an expert on this, this, and this. And that to me is when you see us being as great as we can be. So the idea is really, so where you and I can, I think, contribute to this is I want to help create a culture of collaboration that starts with us as men accepting the fact that, look, we've been traumatized. A lot of us are, there's a trauma test you could take online. I think it's called the ACEs test. And if your score is high, what happens is that you have a hard time collaborating because you see emotional connection and unity almost like a threat.